Okay guys, this is stop motion. I stopped my walkthrough for San Gravels 2 and Ratchet and Clank 3 because I have new glitches. Then I want to show you. Yeah. So Quark's hideout. Some new ones in Quark's hideout, yeah. First one is right here. Oh crap, I haven't got any terror ammo. Oh man. Just wait a second. Okay. So follow me. Go over to this wall and turret through. Crap. Yeah. So try to turret. Man. Please. Oh crap. Just hold on a second, guys. Alright guys, while you turret, you'll be in this small place. Yay. I don't know if you can go back, but center the camera right onto this tunnel and charge boot. Oh crap, yeah, and glide to this yellow thing. Yeah. This is only a little glitch, but see, you landed on this yellow stuff and it isn't magnetic. You can bit wrench climb, but also second to wall jump. What you can do you can keep high jumping by this rope. It's solid. Man. Oh no. If you fall, you can glide back. Just keep high jumping by this solid rope. Crap. Yes. No. 2 minutes. No. Boring glitch in 2 minutes. Come on. Yeah, you can land on this thingy. But when you go up there, nothing will become. Alright, hold on a second for the next glitch. Okay guys, here is the second glitch. See this rope? It's solid as that I shown you. You know, oh crap, that glitch. Oh man. Just wait until I go up. Yay. Yeah, just keep high jumping on this one. Or I'll try something. Yeah, I cannot wrench it on. So just keep high jumping on. Oh no. It's pretty hard. Now high jump to this thing. And now high jump again. This yellow tube. Oh man. Yeah, I can grab that. Awesome. And now high jump and strike on this. Now glide down. And you'll be in this little secret place that I found. You can break this. This is kind of boring glitch. You cannot go past that. Or whatever. Yeah, I'm stuck. Or don't. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, here's the second glitch. That found Super Pro, I think. But whatever. I think Super Pro has found. Not this. This is a little glitch around you can walk. But this one has found the Super Pro 6 UI, if you don't know. Yeah, just go there and leg in there. Oh crap. Just wait a second. Alright guys, second try. Yeah, charge boot, leg in, wrench. Yes, you are able to walk all around these things. I thing. Super Pro has found it. But just wait a second for the next one. Crap, is it really stupid camera on this? Happening like crazy. Alright, just wait a second. Okay, this is glitch that I found only a few days ago. Alright, so go in this place, you know where it is, and now double jump, glide, and keep gliding, turn around. It's very easy. It's like that glitch I'll show you only a second, but here is invisible wall. Yeah, but you are able to walk around all of these. There too. Okay, this is glitch that I found only a few days ago. Alright, so go in this place, you know where it is, and now double jump, glide, and keep gliding, turn around. It's very easy. It's like that glitch I'll show you only a second, but here is invisible wall. Yeah, but you are able to walk around all of these. There too. It's pretty easy. I found it only a few days ago. Yeah. Charge bootlegging wrench. Yeah, but you can get out level under Quark's hideout. Sometimes you didn't see the level. But that's it. So wait a second. Alright guys, this glitch is last and it's really boring, but I want to show you. What you do is high jump on this and glide down, land on, oh crap, wait a second. Right, take number 2. Yeah, so high jump, glide, land, yay. Now you are able to walk around all these things. You can go down here, walk around all these stuff and land on next one and next one and next one. It's really boring, but that's it. So okay, see ya guys, and see ya guys.